In this video tutorial, you will learn how to customize headers in WordPress. The header section of your WordPress website contains some of the most important design elements of your site. Since it usually meets the eyes first, it has to be captivating enough to make a good first impression. In this tutorial, I will teach you 1. How to add custom header image, 2. How to add video in your header, 3. How to add custom logo to your header, and finally, how to add social media icons. We will use the 2016 default WordPress theme to customize the header. To do that, go to Appearance in your WordPress dashboard. Then click on Header. Then you are redirected to the header image section. Click on Add New Image. If you want to upload a new image, you can do so by clicking here on Upload Files. Then select the file. I am going to choose an image from my media library. After you have selected the image, click on Select and Crop. If you intend to crop the image, choose Crop Image. Otherwise, click Skip Cropping. And you can now see the image on your website. Then click on Publish to update your website. There are a few themes that support video headers. And to use this feature, we will use the default 2017 WordPress theme. To add video headers, go to Appearance in your WordPress dashboard, then click on Header. And this time, we have an option to add header video. There are some recommendations for the video size and dimensions here for better results. Then click here on Select Video. To upload a video, click here on Upload Files and then select the file here. I will choose a video from my media library. Select the video. Then click here on Choose Video. And as you can see, the video is in preview. You can also add a YouTube video by pasting the video's URL here. So, let's remove this video and paste the YouTube URL here. And now you can see the YouTube video is loaded. Once you're done, click on Publish to update the website. You can also add your company's logo in your header. To do that, go to Appearance and click on Customize. Now click on Site Identity. Here you have an option to upload your logo. Click here on Select Logo. I already have the logo in my media library, but if you want to upload your logo, you can do so by clicking here on Upload Files and upload your file here. Once you have uploaded your logo, click here on Select. Now you have an option to crop the image. After you've done cropping the image, click here on Crop Image. And here you can see the logo is on the website preview. Once you're done, click on Publish to update your website. You can also add social media icons on your website's header to allow your visitors to go to your social media on click. To do that, first let's install a plugin called Menu Image. Go to Plugins in your WordPress dashboard, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Menu Image and press Enter. This is the plugin we are looking for. Click on Install Now to start the installation process. You can see this plugin has a very good rating. And you can check here if it is compatible with your version of WordPress. After the installation is complete, this button will change to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. Skip this, and then you are redirected to the menu image settings. Also, the menu image icon is on the dashboard. Now let's create a menu for the social media icons. Go to Appearance, and then click on Menu. Click here to create a new menu. Enter a menu name here. For our purposes, I will write Social Media. In the display location, select Top Menu. Then click on Save Menu. Now we will create custom links by entering the URL of our social media sites. So click on Custom Links. Then enter the URL of your social media page here. In my case, I will enter the FixRunner Facebook page URL. Now in the link text, write the name of the social media site, so I will write Facebook here. Then click on Add Menu. And now a custom link is created under the menu. Click here on the custom link to expand the settings. And here, you can add a menu image, like the social media icon. Click on Set Image. Now select the icon image. If you want to upload the icon image, you can do so by clicking here on Upload Files. I have the image in my library, so I will select it from there. Then click here on Select. You can set an image on hover as well by clicking here, but we're not going to do that now. Then click on Save Menu. Now when you go to your site, you will see the social media icon in the header section. This is how you can customize headers in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.